Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not like and subscribe to the channel, this is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video, I'm going to say you about how you can accelerate Mac operating system proof of concept with Microsoft Intune. So in this blog, I'm not going to read this blog, but just want to show you in what is Intune My Macs and how you can manage your uh, Mac operating system or Mac devices with Microsoft Intune without compromising security, compliance, and user onboarding. Most of you, maybe you managing your Mac machine through JAMF, right? Which is, of course, it's a good. And as per my opinion, or if you are managing, you already know about this one. But yeah, if you are already managing your iOS, Android, and Windows operating system through Microsoft Intune, it's time to explore Microsoft Intune or just give a try to manage your or see how your Mac can be managed through Microsoft Intune. So this blog is written by someone by Microsoft. So you can read. I'll put this link in the video so that you can learn, read it thoroughly. So Intune provides a broad and mature set of capabilities for managing Mac OS devices across security, compliance, and application and user onboarding. Many customers like us or you not always aware about how much functionality is available until you join or learn or explore on the public forum or even the Microsoft websites. So as a Microsoft, they have started kit to make sure for the customers to explore and set up the Mac operating system configuration in Intune. So that is Intune My Mac. That is its starter kit. Intune My Mac will help you to bridge the gap by making it easy to explore some recommendations, macOS configurations, and quickly set up successful PoC for using Intune. So you see Intune My Mac, uh, it's redirecting to the GitHub. So this is a set of tools, right? So you can explore and download this one. It's a link here. I will give the link. So what is Intune My Mac is an open source project from Microsoft Intune customer experience engineering team that allows you to deploy a complete Mac OS proof of concept in minutes. And this kit, Intune My Mac, it's called Starter Kit, brings together over 31 enterprise grade configurations identified by Apple Mac Evaluation Utility, along with policies, script, and applications, right? And which can be deployed using a single PowerShell script. The pro- this project operate in a dry run mode by default, so it will let you preview exactly what will be created before committing any changes to Microsoft Intune tenant. So the important thing is you can see here from a support perspective, Microsoft fully support Intune and its ability to deploy PowerShell script. However, Microsoft does not support the script themselves, even if they are on GitHub repository, which is very strange for me. Um, so they actually they are provided for the example only. So you can use this GitHub repository for example only. You are responsible for anything that may do within your environment. So better to test. So why would you use it? Jumpstart, right? So instead of building macOS configuration from scratch, Intune Mac provides a ready-to-use baseline of production quality Intune artifacts. These configurations are designed to help quickly evaluate Microsoft Intune for Mac OS management. So these are the basic overview of what Intune My Macs deploy into your tenant. Like security, you can use file vault, right? Gatekeeper policy, age policy, compliance. You can set minimum SIP identity. I will show you in the Microsoft Intune portal as well. identity platform SSO via secure enclave, application Intune company portal, right? Script, you can do doc customization, file bolt, right? Custom attributes, you can check all these. So all these, and if you want to understand how it's work, this starter kit is driven by the XML manifest file that define each configuration artifact. The main PowerShell script read these manifest, resolve the associated JSON mobile config script file, and create the corresponding object in Intune via Microsoft Graph API. So if you want to learn more information how to use this project, be sure to review the prerequisite instruction in the README file. So if you go to here, and there is a README file is there. So this one, yeah. So you can open this and see the instruction how you can automate this Microsoft macOS proof of concept. Must read this configuration, and you can see all this script inside that. You can download. These are the script manifest files available. XML file is available. You can deploy it through. These are the bonus utility they are giving. macOS config policy, existing Intune macOS policy. So just a summary, right? So Intune My Mac utility is not meant to be one size fit for all production starter kit, but it is a great way if you get started and use it for quickly implement proof of concept, right? To learn how configuration pattern and adapt the new policy to your organizations. Whether you are evaluating Intune for macOS management, or setting up the new tenant, or just looking for reference implementation for common security configurations, right? This actually utility will give you the significant time and effort. So try this script and see how it's work. This is a very good utility they have given, as it's a GitHub repository and full configuration documents as well. So explore, it's time to explore. And you can see here, if you go to Mac operating system, you see there are, you can deploy this script, right? You can add the compliance policy, configuration policy. You can set up the as well. You can also do the custom attributes for this one, for Mac OS. Try this one method. You can deploy the script by downloading the GitHub and modify it as per your requirement and deploy it. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.